have a memory card in there? Hello, hello, hello. Yes, I'm back. And I'm going to talk about weight today. So, I'm not going to try to keep you too long. Thank you for coming. If you're new to this channel, I talk about my journey. You watch my journey through certain things, through house cleaning, and I'm learning how to decorate, learning how to declutter more so, um, trying to be minimalist, and I'm also on a weight loss journey, so I'm working on that. So those are the two topics I usually talk about in this video, and I'm very glad that you came. And anyone knows about my channel, it's been a very rough start. Rough. It's so funny because when I decided I wanted to lose weight, I gained 25 pounds. Don't know how that happened, but actually I do know how that happened. But it happens. You learn, you realize what's going on, and you fix the problem and you move on. It took me a long time to realize what the problem was. The problem was I was focusing too much on losing weight. I was focused on too much what I'm going to eat, and a lot of times you get discouraged and you eat worse, or you binge, or whatever you have to, whatever you do. And it's a cycle. It's a cycle because you want to lose this weight so bad and you're not losing anything, or not losing it fast enough, that you mess up. And before you can by the time you fix it, you done gain so much weight. And that's what happened to me. So far on this journey that I started over again this last time, I started the beginning of May at 216, and now I'm at 204.6. So I'm working more now to try to get out of the 200s this month, and honestly I want to get out of the 90s this month. So my goal this month is to see 189 at least once. I may not stay there, but I want to at least see it before the month is over. Okay, so usually I will show you what I'm eating today, but I'm not going to show you today because it's very early and I'm not sure what I'm going to eat tonight. My scheduled time to eat, I'm not sure. So you can tell pretty much did I do good or not by my result tomorrow. For what I'm doing for my channel, I come on every day to let you know how much I weigh every day. I'm doing a method that is not really known, and I will explain what the method is later. But if anyone knows more about my channel, they know I love Omad. I love Omad. Omad does very well with me. I almost lost 16 pounds last month on Omad, but I stopped doing Omad and just ate regular, and I gained a couple of pounds back, and I only ended up losing 11 pounds at the time, and for May. So now this is June, so I guess we'll see if I'll be able to hit my goal, and I'll let you know what I'm doing. If I'm successful, well, see, that's the first thing, that's the first thing when it comes to someone that's trying to lose weight. They quick to say if, or this woman try to do, instead of saying this is what I'm going to do, this is what's going to happen, this is how it's going to be, period. Because one thing about losing weight, you control that. Nobody else control what you put in your mouth. Nobody else control that. So this is one of the things, it's not much we alone control. But this is one of the things you control, which is so good, to the point, take control of what you can control, which is what you put in your mouth. So I will say, I will see 189 this month. I will see that number. I already mapped it out how I'm going to do it, and I should see that number at least once. I will probably be fluctuating between the 90s and 80s a little bit, but that's something you can't control, especially when you're starting a weight loss. Your body is not ready to accept that you're actually trying to lose weight. So until your body is able to say, okay, this is what she wants to do, so let's just go through it, you're going to fluctuate. There's going to be some weird numbers all over the place, but you get to learn how your body working. You get to learn how to be consistent. You get to learn how certain food reacts to your body, and from that data that you receive, that information, you can move on to the next level, which is to lose some more weight, because you don't know when you're going to plateau. You don't know when your body is going to change up, but you will know according to if you keep your data and information on what you're doing every day. So this is for me to keep up with what I'm doing. So once I lose everything, I would never be in this situation ever again. So I gave you my number, how much I weigh, and hopefully you'll come by tomorrow to see what my number is tomorrow. Okay? So I'll talk to you soon. Bye.